Alright, in this section here we're going to talk about the properties of logarithms, and we're going to get started with an example of, let's say we had log, and I'm just going to say with a base b, some number here b, of x squared. Now this can be rewritten, okay? You can take this 2 and bring it out front, log base b of x, log base b of x. Okay, so this is kind of like the power rule. I think that's what we call this. Taking the 2, bringing it out front, and rewriting. Right? And this is extremely important later on in the story, being able to do this. What if we were to say, though, this? Because this is x squared, that means x times x. Alright? Well, if we have two things multiplied together here, we could actually expand this to log base b of x plus log base b of x. And of course this can be rewritten as, because they're both the same, 2 log base b of x. Okay, I'll put a parentheses around that x there. But it's a whole lot easier just to do it this way here. So we take the power, we bring it out front. Okay, rewriting that. Alright, let's look at some more examples. Alright, if I had log of x times y. Now notice that nothing is written right here for the base. So we have to assume that there's a 10 here. Okay, if we don't write anything at all, then that means there's a 10 here for the base. We can expand this as log x plus log y. So you see in the previous problem up here we did that. See, you can expand it that way. As long as there's two variables that are multiplied together. If I were to write log of x squared times y squared, now we should note that this is like a parentheses right here, okay, around both of those. We can expand this to log of x squared plus log of y squared, and of course now we can expand it even further because we can take this power and bring it out front. Log x plus 2 log y. Alright, so when we're taking derivatives in calculus, this is extremely important to be able to do because it makes our work a whole lot easier. So that's something to look forward to when you get to get into calculus. Alright, what about if I had log some number here, base b, of x, y to the 4th, and z to the 3rd. Alright, so let's expand this. Log base b x plus log base b y to the 4th plus log base b of z to the 3rd. Now of course I'm going to rewrite. Take this 4, bring it out front. So you should have known that was going to happen. Plus, and taking this 3 and bringing it out front of z. So that's now been completely expanded. Alright. So we got lots of examples here to work.